So Nadine West sends you clothes every month, and it's really cool. It's only $9 for shipping. If you like what you got, you can just apply that $9 to whatever you got. If you want to send something back, they already include the shipping label right in the bag, and so you just ship it right back. Right now, you can get that shipping fee waived if you use my link in the description box below. There's a special going on for a limited time, so definitely take advantage of that. So I'm really excited to jump into this. You filled out a style profile on nadinewest.com, which you can update at any time. I actually updated mine pretty recently about, the fact that I was looking for a few more summer shorts, things that I can wear. And so that's exciting. Oh, I forgot to mention that it's wrapped so nicely and with Nadine West sticker on there, and then you open it up and you get goodies. And I think it's so awesome to take advantage of a subscription service like Nadine West right now when we're in quarantine and we're trying to stay out of the stores, out of the shops as much as possible with our kids and everything like that. But you can still look cute and do it on a budget. So I'll have all the prices for all the items on askchauntel.com. I'll put the link for you guys in the description box below.
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask Chauntel.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Chauntel from askchauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from Girl from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. So the first thing we've got is, let's see, what is it? Ooh, I see lace. Oh, this is cute. So it's like a lace blue top, very spring summer like. I like that. And then it's got like a drawstring in the front. That's super cute. I really like that. And I see red. Oh, you guys know I love red. Red is my color. Now blues I have to be careful with. I told you guys about this because certain blues are just not hitting on the skin because I'm warm skin tone. But this color, it works for me, so we'll see. All right, so it's a top, red top, and it's got cute little buttons on the side. I like that, and it's kind of like got a little split there, and it looks like it's like that on both sides. I love red on. It's just one of my favorite colors to wear, I should say. I don't have a lot of red around me because you gotta be careful. You guys know I'm always dropping stuff. You gotta be careful with red like in your space because it's so bold. But a little bit of red goes a long way. But when you're wearing it, you want to make a statement. Yes. What is this? I see black and white stripes. Oh, it's a top. Now this looks like it's gonna be large and in charge on me. I don't know how that's gonna fit on, but we'll check it out. We'll let you know how that fits and everything. And there's another bundle inside, the cute pink package. See what's inside here. Ripping that tissue paper off. See what we've got. Okay, so these are leggings. Now, I'm all for, comfort and comfortability, but these are velour. And they do go with the nice theme that we've seen come in, but this is making me hot just looking at it. It is, I live in California and I'm like, oh, I don't know. But it has a drawstring in the front and they're leggings. Okay, so we'll see about that. Kind of remind me of like corduroy, but that's not real corduroy. That'd be like more like a velour fabric. And now these are life. These are like active wear, place for your phone apparently, which is awesome, which is really hard to come by these days. These leggings, I think these will make it. We'll see. Okay, we gotta try them on. It says ultimate tummy control, layered waistband for sharing support. Then there is a four-way stretch. Four-way stretch. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's a really simple black and white pattern. So I'm really excited to try these on. Pattern.
What pattern?
A pattern is the way that the clothes look. Gosh, they've been asking such good questions, and I've been trying to figure out how to even explain such things. So, oh, these earrings are so pretty. You see the earrings?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see them?
Yeah. They jingle.
They jingle. Yeah, they look like they do jingle. You're right. And they have like a little tree. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Like a little tree on there. Yeah, you want to see? Check it out. Okay, let Mama film. So here are the earrings, and can you guys see that? They're pretty, and I like how they're hooped. I'm gonna have to like change the earring because I can already tell that this metal is not agreeing with me. But yeah, we're gonna go try on the outfits. So let's go try one, and we'll be right back. So I definitely saved the best for last on this one. I did not like this dress. Nothing about it. I think it was more of a dress than a tunic, but you know, you could wear it as a tunic, you could wear it as a dress. Maybe with some fitted leggings it would have been cute. I didn't really like the crew neck. I liked the pockets. I did not like this horizontal stripe. It usually is not flattering. It kind of makes you wider. For the most part, horizontal stripes are a no-go. What Spinner's got going on here, vertical stripes is better. It makes you look taller and skinnier. Now, this outfit I love. This was the first one that I pulled out, and it came out really cute. It's like an oversized top with a fitted bottom with the leggings, and I thought it was a super cute mom outfit. I could wear around the house. I could wear it out if I had to run out and about, and I liked the gold accents to it. So definitely let me know which outfit you would wear. Would you wear both? Would you wear maybe just one or the other? Definitely let us know in the description box below. I loved these leggings. They did everything that they said that they would do, and they fit me like a glove, and I loved the detail on them as well. So yeah, tell me what you guys thought about it, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. So if you enjoyed this video, then definitely check out all of my Nadine West unboxings that I have for you. Link is in the description box below. Also got some other product review videos if you guys like product reviews for you guys in the playlist, in the link in the description box. And also that code for you if you want to sign up for Nadine West and you want to get free shipment of Nadine West, then you definitely should check out my link in the description box below. Sign up there and you can get started, get your cute pink package, and get to try these things on. I definitely like to know what your favorite outfit was. Leave that in the description box below. If there was one that you could see yourself wearing, we'd love to hear about it. And if there was an outfit you're like, oh no, please don't, we want to hear about that. Now check out the rest in the playlist in the description box. We'll see you on the next one, and in the meantime, in between time, definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses.